How to simplify square roots. Let's get it. So let's say we want to simplify the square root of 45. So whenever we're trying to simplify square roots, the first thing we want to do is we want to write down all the factors of the number under the square root. So for the number 45, this would be 1, 45, 3, and 15, and finally 5 and 9. So what this would do is once we have all the factors written down, we want to find any perfect squares. So a perfect square is when you have two numbers that can be multiplied by themselves. So by itself will give you one of the factors. So the one perfect square that we can notice here is the number 9. So in that case, we can rewrite that square root of 45. So we keep the square root sign. We write 9 underneath, multiplied by the number that gives us 45. So in that case, that would be the number 5. So now we've rewritten the number 45 by the two factors that give us 45. Now in this case, there's a rule that we can apply. It's called the multiplication property of square roots. So what that basically means is we can separate the square root for each individual number. So now we can find the square root of 9, which would just give us 3 times the square root of 5. And we can continue to rewrite that. So in this case, we obviously cannot simplify the 5 further. So we're just going to leave this as 3 times the square root of 5. And that would be our final answer right there.